Hi there, it's Dan from Bocain Designs, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install WordPress using SiteGround's Site Tool WordPress installer. When you first log into Site Tools, you can either click on the Install and Manage WordPress button here, or on the left sidebar you can click on WordPress and navigate to Install and Manage. When you get to this page, you can pick which one you want to go with. If you're going to be making a store, select this one right away. If you're going to be making a regular WordPress site, a blog, something that doesn't have shopping involved, click WordPress. It's going to automatically select the main domain that is associated with the site tools you're in, and it'll default the language, but if you need to change it, you can change it, and then you can pick the install path. So by default, it's going to install it on the domain, not in a subfolder. But let's say we wanted to have WordPress in a subfolder. You can click on this and then put in the name of the folder you want WordPress installed in. But in our case, we do want it in the main folder. We're going to go ahead and just pick username. We're going to generate a password, and we'll go ahead and just put in our email. And I'm going to uncheck these two, or leave them unchecked, and click install. WordPress Starter is just a tool SiteGround helps new people use WordPress quicker. In our case, I know how to use WordPress. I don't need their starter kit. But here we are. We're installing WordPress. When it's finished, you can see we get a confirmation. And then more importantly, on the off chance you didn't save your password, or you want to be able to have people log in that don't get your password, you can give them delegate collaborator access to SiteGround Site Tools, so they can get into here without your password, and then they can come to your WordPress management tool and click on log into admin panel, and that'll let them get into your WordPress without you having to give them a WordPress account as well. So it allows you to use SiteGround's security tools to keep your website access pretty well locked down. So here's our WordPress install. This was not here before we did the video. And when WordPress gets installed with SiteGround, they give you their security tool and their optimizer tool by default, and they would have given us that startup tool, but we unchecked that one. These are pretty good tools. I do cover them in other videos, worth checking out.